AI in 2025 is like your overachieving cousin. It's doing everything, from coding your app to singing you a love song. If you're not keeping up, you're already behind. So buckle up. Here are the top 5 AI tools taking over the world right now. And trust me, number 2 might just steal your job or become your best friend.
5. Sora, the movie director that doesn't sleep. Sora by OpenAI turns simple text into cinematic video magic. Just type, "a panda riding a motorcycle through Tokyo at night," and boom, Sora gives you a blockbuster trailer. Hollywood? You might want to watch your back. Stick around, because later in this list we've got an AI that can code itself. No joke.
Number 4. Devin, your new favorite or scariest software engineer. Meet Devin, the first fully autonomous AI software engineer. It writes code, fixes bugs, and even explains it like you're 5. It's basically the intern you've always dreamed of, minus the coffee breaks and existential crises. Warning, may cause professional developers to question their career path.
Number 3. Suno.ai, AI that drops bangers. Suno lets you create full music tracks by just typing a vibe. Want a chill lo-fi song about coffee and heartbreak? Done. Want a reggaeton track about cats? Also done. Your playlist is about to get weird, in the best way. Pause and drop your weirdest song idea in the comments. I'll try it in Suno and feature it in the next video. 2. ChatGPT 4.5. The glow-up is real. Our favorite chatbot is now smarter, faster, and has better emotional intelligence than most of your exes. GPT 4.5 understands images, videos, tone, and it even remembers what you told it last week. Creepy? Maybe. Useful? Absolutely. It's like Siri went to grad school and came back with superpowers. Keep watching. And coming up next, the tool that's redefining what real even means. There 1. Midjourney V6 and Adobe Firefly 2, Picasso's AI cousins. These two tools are leading the AI art revolution. You describe it, they draw it, but not in a sketchy way. We're talking hyper-realistic images that you'd swear came from a $10,000 camera. Need dragons in suits or dream home concepts? Say less. At this point, it's not AI versus artists. It's AI as your new creative intern. Just don't let it name your art piece. So, from coding and composing to painting and directing, these tools are not just cool. They're rewriting the rules of creativity, work, and maybe reality itself. Which AI tool blew your mind? Drop your pick in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, hit subscribe and join the GlobalTrendX crew, because this is just the beginning. Next week, we might cover AI dating coaches. Yeah, that's a thing.